Software is released faster than ever before, but one overlooked vulnerability is all it takes to disrupt operations and damage trust overnight. So how can organizations deliver software quickly without sacrificing security? The answer is development, security, and operations, also known as DevSecOps. In this video, we will explain what DevSecOps is and how teams can develop secure, reliable software without slowing down delivery. DevSecOps is an approach that integrates security into every stage of software development, making it a core part of the workflow rather than an afterthought. By bringing development, security, and operations together, teams embed security into daily tasks such as planning, coding, testing, and deployment. This ensures risks are identified early and managed continuously, allowing organizations to deliver software that is fast, secure, and resilient from day one. Let's take a closer look at why modern teams need DevSecOps in the first place. Why do we need DevSecOps? In traditional development, security is often considered only at the end. By that point, vulnerabilities are harder and more expensive to fix, and breaches can have serious consequences. DevSecOps solves this by integrating security from the start, often called shifting left, so potential risks are identified and addressed early in the process. This proactive approach allows teams to manage risks, prevent disruptions, and maintain fast, reliable software delivery. How does DevSecOps work? So how do teams make DevSecOps work in practice? It is guided by 4 core principles. 1. Automation. Automated tools handle security testing, patching, and deployments, ensuring consistent protection without slowing delivery. 2. Continuous monitoring. Applications and infrastructure are monitored in real time, allowing teams to respond to threats immediately. 3. Collaboration. Developers, operations, and security teams work closely together, sharing responsibility and knowledge to deliver safer software faster. 4. Integration across the lifecycle. Security is woven into every stage of development, from planning to deployment, making it a proactive process. Benefits of DevSecOps. Adopting DevSecOps brings several advantages. Vulnerabilities are detected early, reducing the risk of breaches. Continuous security testing allows faster remediation. Collaboration improves communication and alignment across teams. Security reviews no longer slow delivery, improving time to market. It also supports regulatory compliance and builds resilient systems. Key stakeholders in DevSecOps. DevSecOps involves multiple teams. 1. Development teams. They follow secure coding practices and integrate security testing. 2. Security teams. They guide risk mitigation, assessments, and compliance efforts. 3. Operations teams. They ensure secure deployments and continuous monitoring. 4. Quality assurance teams. They include security testing alongside functional and performance testing. 5. Management and leadership. They drive adoption, allocate resources, and build a security-focused culture. When all these roles work together, security becomes a shared responsibility, making software faster, safer, and more reliable. DevSecOps turns security into a natural part of software development, not a final hurdle. It allows teams to deliver fast, reliable, and secure applications while staying ahead of risks. By adopting DevSecOps, organizations gain a strategic edge, building software that users trust and teams can innovate confidently. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more such videos on DevOps, security, and professional skills.